Hello my friends, welcome back to my studio. I'm so sorry to be away for so long, but I was super sick and I just have surgery that is supposed to change my life and hopefully I will be cured. I'm still not cured, but I want to return so badly. So I hope you can keep subscribed to my channel and please stay tuned with me and let me see if I can come back to this. So it's Phthalo Blue, Naphthol Red Deep, Skye Blue Light, Vermillion, Azo Yellow Deep, and Titanium White. And I'm gonna continue doing experiments for you. Okay, so I'm going to put them side by side. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this fast without thinking. Okay, so let's wait until all that goes down. Hopefully we have a beautiful piece that you can see. Mostly orange, huh? And mostly blue. That's so weird. Okay, we'll see. We're gonna try to combine these two liquids. I think I should torch now so that we can get large cells. I want an explosion of cells. Somehow it is escaping already. Going to put the remainder of the paint in the corners, although I'm going to make them completely loose them. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's take all the paint from here, because that's just gonna help. Okay, so let's help it. Oh, I like the cells that are coming in there and I don't want to lose them. let's just do these, and we can bring them back. Okay, let's lose that corner. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. There you go. Let's bring them back. Gonna help it. Gonna help it move to this corner. I wanna lose the pretty cells. There. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Now we have to come to the other two sides. Okay, let's go to the other side. Okay, let's help it. Because I'm losing pretty cells. So let's bring them back. I don't know, there's a big barrier of blue and red. And the line is right in the middle. What should we do? I need to clean my hands and decide what I'm going to do, because there's a big line of color separation. I like the cells. What I don't like is that blue. I don't know why that happened. Let's see. What we can do is maybe torch so that it comes more cells in there with different colors, smaller cells. Let's see. Now we have tiny cells. Now we can also try to break it ourselves. With color, right? I only have color in the cup, in that cup. Should I do that? This is for you, Christine. Oh, not as pretty as Christine's. Let me see. Yeah, Christine's are prettier. When she does lines, she does beautiful lines. Ooh, that one's breaking. Ooh. I really did a mess. Okay, Christy, I'm not as good as you. Let's torch those ugly lines. You have to connect that. Just have to connect it. Doesn't look bad. Well, at least it distracts a little bit of that big line in the middle. I'm gonna zoom you so you can see what happened in there. Tons of cells. You know, I like it. It's different. Well, I hope I don't discourage you from being in the channel, and please stay tuned. I want to do some more experimenting, and please allow me to continue my channel after all these years of illness. I hope you can bear with me and stay tuned, and please do not abandon me. Bye bye.